Okay, next is Miss Amira Tumlao.
Wis, may mo lagi sa om.
Happy birthday, Ate Bunny. Stay what you are. Thank you for everything. I love you. God bless. Okay, next is Miss
Happy birthday, Manang Bunny. May you fulfill all your dreams and may God grant all the desires of your heart. God bless.
Next is Miss Marcy. Okay, let's move on to Miss Pressy Ann. Miss Carol Salamanca.
Happy birthday, Bunny. 18 na, pwede na makulong. Hindi ako mag-wish na kasi alam ko na there is a bright future ahead of you. So, God bless. Enjoy your day. Hi, Bunny. Nakaligal. Akala ko magbibigay lang ng gift, pero may sasabihin ka pala. May gift for you. Something special, parang... And, happy birthday.
Next is Miss Christine Ann Samaniego.
Happy birthday, Bunny. Thank you sa lahat-lahat. May God continue to guide you and bless you more than you deserve. Happy birthday.
Christopher Concepcion.
Diyan ako mag-review dyan. Happy birthday, Banilo. I wish you all the best. More birthday and God bless you always.
Hi, Manel! Welcome to the age of legality. Happy 18th birthday and thank you dahil nandiyan ka lagi pag kailangan minapangutangan nila ka. At your day, sana ay maging masaya sa arawan. I love you. Happy birthday! Nasa legal age ka na. You know what is right and what is wrong. Dapat... Madami.
May all your wishes in life come true. God bless.
Yan lang.